Let's proceed with the fixing we have to do. So I'm bringing back the blueprints. Let's go to X-ray now. Actually, I was going to show you that we can access X-ray going to shading or hitting the button, this button that you already know. So now I want to view it from the side. Okay. I can't see the drawing actually from this angle. Okay. Let's go to vertex and start building the elevator. So the elevator of the airplane. I'm holding Shift and selecting these faces. And now let's go to edit mesh. No. Where is it? Where is the, oh yeah, the extrude. Here it is. So I'm gonna extrude this and I'm gonna go to the offset. This is not what I want, I'm sorry. I want the offset. Okay. So I'm gonna offset it. Yeah, this may work. Okay. So now these faces around. Okay. We can get rid of them. And now we have a hole in our model on the body of the airplane, but no worries because we'll fix that. Well, let me do something here. Let's go to panels, orthographic, and a new. So I want to see it from the left side. So now, yes, we can see the drawings. So I think you realized that we were seeing the airplane from the right side before. So that's why we couldn't see the drawings, because the drawings were on this side, on the left side, which actually is the right side of the drawing, but the left side of when you're from our point of view. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, is moving around these vertices so that I can get the shape of the elevator of the airplane. Okay. It's quite simple. Not just simple design of the elevator of the airplane, but simple to move these vertices because you can do it one by one and you're only moving them on Z and Y, so it's quite easy. Okay, so you remember I said clean, nice geometry, so it's good to rearrange your mesh from time to time, like I'm doing now, instead of just moving the vertices because you actually need to move them to get the shape that you want, like I'm doing now. But besides that, it's good that if you see a vertex that it's not on its place, you can just pick it up and correct its position. Okay, so yeah, so let's go to faces, and actually, sorry, let's go to edges, and let's select that edge, and I'm holding Shift this other, well, I'm holding shift, but nothing happens. Oh yeah, now yes, it did. So as you can see, I have the whole edge loop selected to the top. Yes, okay. So with this edge loop selected, what I'm going to do now is, I didn't select that bit on the bottom and this one on top, so please be careful with that, pay attention to that. So all the others are selected. Hit the toggle. I did extrude, by the way. Hit the toggle so that you can move it on X. And now, no, how's it called? I forgot. I just went back to solid mode. I'm trying to remember the name of the tool I need, which is not this one. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking the best way to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna select all the vertices here on this edge. So all the vertices on the edge that I just extruded. Like so. This one too. Okay. And now let's go to absolute transform and put 0 on X and hit enter. And you see that all the vertices are correct now. So I did an absolute transform on X, and that brings all those vertices selected to 0 on X. So that's what I did. And now I'm gonna use, target well, there must be some vertice selected. There it was. Okay, so now we can use it. Okay, same thing down below. Actually this way, yeah. Okay, looks good, but we have to rearrange this bit here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it looks good. Let's just do some beveling here. So I'm using this tool that you already know, and so it's a good time to save now. Save as actually this was not properly the pin fix, but yeah, it's kind of not really important at this stage. Okay, that's it.